There it is. The green team.
That was clean right there.
That was sweet.
That was clean.
You all right, buddy? You all right? You good? You need a ride?
No, I'm not. And fuck that motherfucker.
Nah. Take that bullshit to the parking lot. Buzz off with that.
No, fuck him. Dude, that was fucking not fair.
Put that water up.
Don't talk shit when you can't stand up, homie. Don't talk shit when you can't even stand up, my guy. Don't do it, dude. Stay down. Stay down. Stay down.
Just drink the water.
Yeah,
Man. Sit down.
stay down, homie.
Damn.
Call yourself a ride, too, my guy. Don't do it, my guy. Stay down. Call yourself a ride, homie.
You asked me what he's doing wrong.
Well, he's not doing anything wrong. We're just worried he's going to fall on his head.
You already stepped your elbow. Stepped your elbow. Why your elbow?
Get him a helmet.
I don't work for that kind of company.
What's up, boss?
What up, bro?
Good times? Good, good. Chilling. What's up, Dream? Looking good, man. Jamming?
Yeah, I'm just saying.
Yeah. Good vibes.
That's what's going on over there?
Yeah, comedy.